Incoming device is an iPhone 7 Plus black in color. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. Front camera lens does not appear to be blocked with any cracks. The Touch ID, proximity sensor, earpiece, and the cameras are untestable. So the phone does appear to be disabled. Doesn't appear to be any major dents around the phone. Actually, there is one by the rear camera lens, nothing too major. Looking at the charging port, it does look like it is in snug, and the bottom two screws are present. Go ahead and hit emergency to test the touch. From the 7, 8, 9 star, 0 and pound don't work. Neither does back button, but cancel does. And taking a look at the incoming charge current, is at charging at 1.6 amps. It is a Sprint device and is at 85% charge. Go ahead and take a look at the parts cost and issue a quote to the customer.